Welcome to the Mechanic Disk help videos. In this tutorial, I will outline how to customize your email template. Firstly, log into Mechanic Disk, click on the Settings tab, then the Workshop Details tab, and finally Email Settings on the left of the screen. Once here, click where it shows No Logo, then select Choose File to select the file from your device. Once complete, click Save. Notice the options here where you can change the logo background color, alignment and position. The default background color for the logo is white. This is because most logos have a white background. You can change the logo background color by clicking here and selecting Choose. In this example, I will select black and position it as center and top. Please remember, unless you use the color name like so, that the color code should have a hashtag in front of it. To make sure you are using the correct background color to match your logo, I would recommend a third-party Chrome plugin such as ColorPick Eyedropper, seen here. Here are some examples of logos with different positions and background colors. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Disk support team.